Hey everybody, Aaron here. Got my 1997 Lotus Elise S1 here, and I wanted to show you how to change the brake light bulbs in case yours ever go out. This is a 1997 Lotus Elise S1, and behind the door is the little pole to open up the rear of this. And the little trunk liner just folds up, fits into that slot there to hold this open, so I should be able to reach them from behind, it says. As always, this is my first time doing this, so let me figure this out as I go. All right, this little piece just lifts out and then clips here. All right, so we can get back here now. Turn my camera around. We'll get a little light on, and we can see that is where our tail lights are now. So this little connection right here should be my brake light. Down on the tab, pull back to disconnect it. And I think this just twists. Yep, you twist it a little bit and pull it out. If the problem was the bulb, it's super easy. You just push it in, down, and twist. That little guy right there will pop right out. You can see that little tab. Put a new one in, push it down to twist, lock it back into place. Replace this unit and your brake light bulb is fixed. If this was helpful, please give the video a thumbs up. It really helps the channel. Subscribe, and I'll see you guys on the next video with the Lotus Elise.